what up? Come on.
Hey y'all, wait, stop. Don't leave yet. Don't leave yet. Let me tell you about this video. You know, for the first 4 minutes, I kind of did screw up, so I'm editing in on top of for the first 4 minutes. What do you call that? It doesn't matter what it's called. Narrating. Anyway, this video, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be taking down some alder trees that are leaning over the house. Now, in my previous video, I showed one that came down on the house, and it didn't do any damage at all. I was so lucky. It's so cool. But I got these alder trees, and they're leaning over to the house. They're not big alder trees. But you know what? In the next few years, more of them will come down. You know, in rainstorms, the ground gets wet and saturated, and they don't have the best root system. So that's what we're going to be doing here. And it gets a little exciting at times, you know. Some of them get close on the house when I'm bringing them on down. I ain't no expert at this, so y'all might want to check this on out. And by the way, if you ain't a subscriber already, and you like this type of content, how about go ahead and hit that subscribe button? Maybe even that like button. Or if you don't like it and you don't want to subscribe, hey, give me a thumbs down. You know, that's cool too. I mean, it don't bother me. And you know what? Thumbs down is a tool. I don't want y'all to know this. Thumbs down is a tool to let people know what they think of the video. Whether it's about the quality of the video, the picture itself sucks, or the audio sucks, or the content sucks. So you know, use that thumbs down. Let people know. Let YouTube know what you think about this video. And don't be afraid to say and leave a comment, you know, down below saying, hey, you know what? The reason why I gave a thumbs down was because of this reason. I'd muchly appreciate it. Man, I just love my little Kubota. Man, this thing has been such a handy tool for me. This is just a little BX 1860. And the chickens, every time I fire the sucker up, the chickens all come running. Now, the one that you're seeing most of the time in this video, this is Feisty. The one that we call Allie. And the reason why we call her Allie is, well, she is feisty, just like Allie Oakley. You know, I mean, yeah, she's a cool chicken. But she's in most of my videos. Anytime I fire up the chainsaw, or the wood splitter, or the tractor, she knows that there's going to be bugs somewhere for her to get. So she's pretty cool to see in all the videos here. At the end of this video, I will be closing it on out with a different shot. I made another video that I was going to upload and spent a lot of time editing it and stuff. It was about me splitting some wood, and I got to watching it. This video is so stupid, I ain't going to upload it. But the ending, I like the ending, so I saved the ending of it, and I put that on the end. And I'm going to give you a little clue of what it's about. It's about some moonshine, the ending is, and a gift. That's all I'm going to say. So I don't know if this is going to be a 2-part video because of the length of it, or a 1-part video. It's going to have the same ending on both of them. If it's a 2-part video, I'm going to put the same ending on both of them. So y'all can expect that. But I did enjoy making the ending of that. I'm not going to say no more. And I don't think you're going to want to miss out on much of the stuff that's in between either. Because it's just kind of fun watching an old man on his little tractor. And it ain't no LS tractor either. ahead and lift me up. Tip it forward. Tip it forward. No tip. Forward. More. Keep on going. Okay, slowly forward. That's good. Okay, let me down. By the way, you typically don't want to slide your hand down a cable like I'm doing. It's a good way to get little slivers from the cable, even through gloves. But when you got hands like mine, as tough as mine, you don't have to worry about it. Cable here. Get off the cable. There we go. So I want to try something here to help maybe prevent this long part from getting kinked as bad. Kind of wrap it back and forth on here. Get a little straighter shot pulling. Just swinging my ass in around. See if we can get it rocking. There, felt like it wanted to go. Straighten it up a little more. Careful. Wanted to pull it into the house. So we're going to do something a little differently. Just pull more to that side.
Okay, that's all I'm going to pull on it. I can do the rest of the bucket, and I don't want to pull it into the trailer. No. And I don't think I kinked it too much. A few little kinks on it. Right there's one. But I think all in all, I got lucky. Yeah, Danny, don't you wish you had a little Kubota like this here? Yeah, I know it has more implements that you can use on it. I've had this here for about 6, maybe 7 years. Used the shit out of it. Pardon my French, folks. Didn't mean that. I've abused the crap out of this thing. It's just like a Timex watch. This thing just keeps on ticking no matter how much abuse I throw at it. Okay, you're going to want to get over that way because it's coming right at you. Bring it down a little bit more where it might come down and hit the house. Big old mud hole back here. Can't maneuver this thing very easy. Come on. Get out of that mud hole. Well, we got her down. Okay, I get the cable off of here first of all. I love it when a plan comes together, don't you? Okay, let's see if I can work it off the house without doing any damage. First thing, let's get rid of a little bit of this mud. see if that's going to be good enough. Breaking anything up there yet? Having this bud with no traction, is it not helping? Let's kick over the top of the bucket if I don't watch it on that. I love it when a plant comes together. And this one here, I wanted to get it, I need to get it going this other way, and let's see if I can just get pulled back a little bit. I don't think I can, but hey, let's just try. Go back. I might be able to get this one guide on down where I want. I need to get Dave on out of there so he don't get crushed by a tree. I'll tell you what, with me on the tractor trying to take trees on that, he's a brave man, I'll tell you that. I just wish I could get this tractor up higher. I know I can do it, but I just wanted to take it on back over where it was. I hate to hurt this little fir tree, but I guess the person's got to do what they got to do. Go on. Got a few more I need to get on out of here, but if I get this one done, this will be done for this video. I'll get some more of them out later. I wanted to back in there and make a difference that way. Watch out, Red. be able to pull it over there now and push it down at this point. Yeah, this is definitely not an LS tractor. Sorry, Danny. I know what I'd be doing with that piece of junk. Lawn art. Kind of expensive lawn art, though. Going down pretty good. I took out that little first tree that I didn't want to take out, but hey, at least this thing's down.
Well, as promised, folks, I said I was going to close it out with the moonshine that Kim sent me. Kim 5. Moonshine apple pie. See that? Hey, I'll have them up here in the cards up here. You click here, you can go to his channel. You can go over here. Actually, better yet, what I'm going to do is right up here, what we'll do is we'll put the card to the live stream where I did the opening on it. You don't have to watch the whole live stream. It's like 2 hours long. We had it as a party. But I'll put that right up here. At the very end will be the link to join his channel. Ah, that's the taste of heaven. That tastes so good. Better than Mama's milk. Firewood cutting and Mama's milk. Just remember, folks, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now here. Bye.